Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a PicsArt account on your Android phone. So, if you want to use PicsArt to edit photos or create something, you can easily do it by first installing the PicsArt app on the Play Store or App Store. You can open your Play Store and then search for PicsArt, and then just install it on your phone. And after it's successfully installed, you can tap on open, and in here this is the PicsArt app. So you can create an account or connect or sign up with your Google or Facebook account. So here I'm going to just tap on create an account, and here you need to enter your email address and tap on next. And after this, you need to create a password, but the password must contain 8 to 16 characters and at least one letter and one number. So let's just write my password. Okay, so now you can just tap on next after you create the password and just write your username. So for example, I'm going to just write a new B editor, just like this, and now you can just tap on complete. Okay, I cannot use this username apparently. Okay, now just tap on complete. I don't know why it's some error. Okay, so after you create your username, let's just close it. But if you want to use a free trial, you can just click on continue in here. I'm going to skip this for now. And just like that, now your PicsArt account has been created. You can click on this people icon at the bottom. I don't know why my account isn't. Let's just sign in first. Okay, so this is my PicsArt account. If you want to customize your account or your profile, here you can click on the edits, the pencil icon at the top. You can add your photos, you can change your username, and also you can create stickers. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.